Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone, I hope you are doing very well. So, guys, once again, welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. Welcome to Woofy, the all in one coin, guys. It's making waves across Solana, Base, Vex, and Tron blockchain. And here we are expanding from memes to games to everything. We are in an ever expanding everything coin. And there are dozens of games, including Woofy Tab, the latest addition to the Woofy universe. So you are get ready for an epic journey with Woof, guys. Here I will tell you about beautiful gifts and all other memes. Here you have to tap to earn, and you can earn a lot of profit. So here I will tell you each and everything about Woofy memes, arcades, allocations, about our social medias. So let's join this amazing, awesome journey, guys. Before starting their further amazing review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. As you know, I always come with interesting and awesome platform for my audience. So, guys, again, I'm saying that you are all of welcome to the all in one coin movie. Here you have to join, guys, and I have placed all of the official links in my video description. You have to simply click and you can join here, guys. And I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment, guys. I am not responsible for your any profit or loss. Here you can see our profile of Woofies, guys. Here is our official contract address, where here you can buy on Solana, Vex, based on all of these you can buy. Here I will tell you about, first of all, our coin market review here. So, guys, here you can see our completely bluish graph. Here you can see our current price 0.066542, guys, and here is our total market cap $54.32 billion, and so our 24-hour volumes. Here you can see this is our, you can check out our circulator supply. And guys, all of our website official links, social links are available on our coin market cap here. And here you can see our beautiful pumping bluish graph here, guys. And so now you have to just uh, you have to stay connected here, and you have to join here, guys, because here you can earn a lot of profit. So here is Jiffy. Woofy is gone viral now, is now fully verified on Jiffy, the biggest gift library out there. You have to just search Woofy on any social media GIF bar like Twitter, Discord. Even we are on the WhatsApp, and you can get your pick of animations. Plenty of more on the way. You have to search in our libraries. There are very beautiful GIFs on our of the, for you. Here are aliens also another most of their tabs here. You have to get see more GIFs. You have to click and you can check out our all of the beautiful GIFs here. So you have to don't have to clean your room right here now. Is there is no room, then Woofy memes is everywhere, guys. What's a meme coin without meme? Absolutely nothing. Join the Woofy Discord and unleash your inner meme master with our easy to use meme creator. Just type meme, pick a temple, and add your text, and but your custom meme is ready to share anytime, anywhere. Works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile. So here you have to Discord, join our Discord, guys. And here's the welcome to Woofy Arcade, guys. You are get ready for the Woofy Tap, the wildest adventure in the Woofy universe. Mind pass by tapping, playing mini games, or completing for quest, climb the leaderboard, and you have to short a prize pool. Each season, let tap boot stop when you are away. Level it up with pass, treats, and woof stacking. Share your referral link and earn even more. So it's time to tap, play, and earn your to the top, guys. This is the moon spirit. Here you can see, and this is a woofy in space and jogging flying cats. This is the woofy slats. That's a chance to spin and reels woofy lots in win with big pass. And these are the woofy clicker. That's tap your way to endless pass, power your tab boot, and here you have to click. These are the risky tiles, the Woofy harvest, these are the Woofy merge. They are different. You have to just play now and burn, baby, burn here. Burn big, win bigger. So it's every time you buy treats with Tron to get boost to play mini games in Woofy tabs here. Here you can check out Solana Woofy went mobile onto and bonk snapshot our lap to on the guys Solana. So here is alpha allocation to the Woof pack. Our maximum supply is 100 ton, guys. Here you can see that for airdrop 30%, for developer 10%, for market 25%, dex is 10%, initial liquidity is 5%, 20% for the contributors. United we back pack partners. These are our partners, guys, that have top talks of bringing unique energy or growing packs on Solana, Rhythm, Pin Tycoon, Tech Studio, Wax, and Ox Violet. These are our partners. That's our supporting us, guys. And guys, this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow. And from memes to games to everything, we are expanding across Solana, Base, Vax, and Chon here. So you have to join here. You have to play Wolf Tap. You have to. We are our season is for live now. Fresh leaderboards, massive rewards, and a brand new game on the horizon. If you are not in the dominate, don't bother. Prove your god whether it takes. So this is a Woofy Accord 4, and here you have to just stack in here. And guys, this is our Telegram community where you have to join. Where you can check out our latest announcement, all in one coin, Woofy coin, from memes to games, everything pending across Solana, Base, Vex, and Tron. So, guys, this is our boot where you have to play here. You have to start right here now. You have to you have to gamify social mining experience where the most dedicated players get the biggest reward. You have to start your tap right now at this boot. So guys, here you have to click on the Woofy tab. What we can do, we are ready for an epic adventure with Woofy tab. So this is a gamified social mining experience where the most dedicated players get the biggest rewards, play for free, grab boost to turbocharge your gameplay. The prize pool will be distributed based on your leaderboard position at the end of each reward soon. So the B part of this best on 100% collection will be used by and burn off Woof. So are you ready to rise through the ranks and become on the number of Wolfpack? Play now, find out, and you have to start now right here. So you have to tap on this. So here you can see that. Welcome to Woofy. So here is a Woofy pack rewards for you guys. So you have to just launch here. You have to tap here. You have to play here. You have to earn a lot of profits at Woofy tap, guys. Here you have to simply tap and you can earn a lot of profits here, guys. So, welcome to Woofy Arcade. There are more informations about our social medias. Here you have to join our. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.